Hello everyone. So today's session is about the kyphosis, that is the curvature issue in spinal vertebra. हमारा जो होता है spinal column, तो जो ऊपर से हम ऐसे हो जाते हैं because of mainly जो curve का problem होता है, अगर posture से related होता है तो वो हम exercise के through, इस yoga practice के through ठीक कर सकते हैं. It's very easy. और रीजंस आप सबको पता है, कंप्यूटर्स, लैपटॉप्स एंड स्मार्टफोन्स, वी जस्ट डू इट लाइक दिस होल टाइम, होल डे. So let's get started. Let's sit in any comfortable pose. We'll do start with prayer and one Kapalbhati, and then we'll go to the stretches. Sit in any comfortable pose with your spine and neck erect. Just close your eyes. 2 to 3 normal breathing. Try to make your breath deep. We'll do one Om chanting. We'll inhale for the Om, and while exhaling, we'll do Om, followed by 3 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Everybody inhale for the Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Just join your palms. Make yourself ready for the practice. Rub your palms. Create the heat. And place your palms on your eyes. Slowly massage your face and neck and come back. We'll do a quick Kapalbhati round for 20 strokes only. People who are joining for the first time, just listen carefully. We just do forceful exhalation. We'll do forceful exhalation. Inhalation will be happen automatically. So just one see. Close your eyes and just see. So I'm exhaling forcefully from the nose. My navel is just touching my spine. Just try to make your exhalation so forceful that your navel is touching your spine. You are not moving your shoulders like this. You're not moving your thoracic too much. You're not making any facial muscle. So let's get started for 20 strokes only. Controlled, forceful exhalations. Everybody close your eyes. Inhale and exhale completely. Make sure your spine and neck is erect. And then inhale and start Kapalbhati. Exhale completely and relax yourself. Just feel the effect inside your skull, inside your mouth. Slowly open up your eyes. Relax. Just open up your legs in the front. Lie down on your back. So we'll start with some spinal warm-up because today is focused on upper thoracic opening. So just start with the spinal warm-up. Spine warm-up is very important. So lie down on your back. Your feet are apart, like shoulder width apart. Your hands are by the side or by the side of thighs. Your choice, wherever you are feeling comfortable. So it can be here for now. So we'll do inhale in the center, and while exhaling, we just drop our knees to the right side. Inhale in the center, and then exhaling to the left side. Inhale in the center, drop your knees to the right side. Do practice with me. Inhale, center, exhale to the right, left. Inhale, center, exhale to the right. Inhale, center, exhale to the left. Just feel your spinal vertebrae
Exhale to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left. Center. Exhale to the right. You are not moving your neck. It is stable in the center only. It is a dynamic warm-up, so we are not moving our neck together. One more to the left. And come back. Inhale into the center. Turn towards your right side and sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana like this. I'm sitting between my heels. My big toes are together. Heels are taking my hips in the seat. So this is Vajrasana. From here, place your hands in front of your knee and come into tabletop position. So my hips are in line with my knees and my shoulders and palms are in line. So when you see from that side, you are not able to see another leg and another hand. That is the right angle actually. So make sure you are not dropping your navel, you are not curving here, you are on a tabletop position. So this is the natural curve. So inhale and exhale in this position. While inhaling, drop your navel to the ground, roll back your shoulder and look up. Exhale, roll back your shoulder down, round your back, chin to the chest if possible. Inhale, arch your back. Don't collapse in your shoulder here. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch your back. Keep pressing your palms in the ground and just don't collapse in your shoulders. Exhale, round your back. Suppose somebody is pulling you up from up. Exhale, look up, arch your back. Inhale, exhale, round your back. Inhale, center. Okay, come back. And here, just get up. We'll move to the other practices. So, because अभी हम जो भी postures करेंगे, हमारी shoulders बहुत ज़्यादा use होंगे उसमें. So this is a light warm up of shoulders. तो सी कैसे होता है योगिक वार्म अप इज ए वेरी वेरी जो अभी हम लोग ऐसे ऐसे शोल्डर रोटेशन करते हैं बहुत बिगड़ा हुआ जो फॉर्म है वो आ गया है क्लासिकली कैसे होता है ट्रेडिशनली आई एम शोइंग यू फीट अपार्ट शोल्डर विथ अपार्ट फॉर द बेटर बैलेंस और फीट टुगेदर योर चॉइस आई एम doing it with feet apart I'm inhaling first and then retaining my breath and then while retaining my breath, I just moving my shoulders. I'm moving, making the round circles on my shoulders. And when I'm about to exhale, I just leave my exhale like this. So try to do it. People who are having shoulder injuries or having any pain, shoulder issue, do it with one hand only. Other can do it with both the arms together, okay? Make a fist of your hands, thumb inside. Inhale completely and start rotating your arms. Exhale forcefully. Relax. We'll do it again. So this is the actual shoulder warm up, arms warm up. This is the actual way and very effective. We'll do it one more time. Make a fist again. Make a fist again. And inhale. Retain the breath and rotate your shoulders. Exhale and leave. Relax your shoulder, relax your legs. Now we'll do one practice which is focused on the posture correction, and it is good for people with asthma or any thyroid problem. This is good for them too. So look carefully. Both feet just 4 fingers apart for the better balance, or feet together, your choice. Hands on the thighs.
you are standing with your navel, you're drawing your navel up. So we can say you contract your abs or core. You're not protruding your stomach like this. So navel in, hands on the thighs, and inhale, just go up and just arch from the back. Don't do this just from the back. Exhale down. So we'll do this movement, this practice for 5 times. So try to synchronize it with your breath. Inhale up and exhale down. It can be slow or fast. It can be match or not match with my movement. So it is totally fine. Just do yours, but 5 times with awareness of the breath. That is very important. Let's get started. Inhale and exhale completely. While inhaling, raise up your arms and chest out. Expand your lungs. Exhale down. Just enjoy this practice. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Don't hold your breath at any moment. Do regular breathing if you are confused between inhale and exhale. One last time. Inhale up. Expand your lungs to the fullest. Exhale down. Relax. Just relax your shoulders, hands. Shake your hands and shoulders. So we'll do other practice. So people who are confused between the alignment. The other day I practiced, I took one session, we did one session with the stick. So I am just showing here, you can do it without stick. For the better alignment, I am just showing कि stick कैसे काम करती है. So it is here, and we will do some cone. So how some cone will do? I'm grabbing it one overhead, one near my hips. So it is with my spine. It is touching my spine from my tailbone to my neck. And while coming down, it is with my spine. So at any point, if the contact of the stick will lose your grip. If you round the back, it will lose the contact with your spine. So this will tell you कि कितना नीचे जाना है, कितना 90 degree पे जाना है. So this is the point we have to. अगर इधर भी हो आप, so it is fine, but don't do this. Okay. So you can do it with the stick, with the help of stick. Feet apart, shoulder width apart, hands up. Make sure your navel is in, and then hands facing in the front. Okay. Inhale, and while exhaling, just push your hips to the back and your chest to the ground and stay here. Imagine somebody is pulling you from the front side. Somebody is pulling your hands. You can do it with the support of support of a wall. Just make sure you are pulling your, pushing your hips back and your chest to the ground. Hips to the back and chest to the ground. Arms by the side of your ears. And your weight is on your toes. Exhale, come back. So this is really very good for runners and for humans, I can say. This is a really good and effective practice. You can do it with the support of wall as well. आप सामने wall होगी तो उसके support से भी आप you can stand there. So do it once again. Feet shoulder width apart. Inhale, hands up. ऊपर पूरा खींचना है. Stretch up your hands. And then while exhaling, slowly go back, go down. Push your hips to the back and your chest to the ground. 90 degree. Don't round your back at any point, please. Stay here. Breathe.
Exhale, come back. Relax your hands, shake your hands. We'll do other variation in the same form. इसे सम कोन बोलते हैं. ये जो हमने अभी किया था 90 डिग्री, that is for सम कोन. एक 90 डिग्री एंगल बनता है आपकी बॉडी से, that is why it is for सम कोन. और ये आपके शोल्डर जो ड्रूपिंग शोल्डर्स होते हैं, राउंडेड बैक होती है, उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. And it gives a good stretch to your hamstring and your gluteal muscles. So again, fit, shoulder width apart. This time your hands are interlaced, your fingers are interlaced together. And when you go down, you just lift up your arms like this. So this is Dvikon, 2 angles. So do it according to your capacity. Don't overdo, because shoulder में झटका आ सकता है. That is not good, that we don't want. So do it जहाँ तक आपको comfortable हो. So feet shoulder width apart, finger interlaced, and when you go down, you lift your hands up. Inhale and exhale, go down. Slowly come back. We'll do one more time. Maybe someone can feel some sensation in the shoulder joint. That is totally fine. One more time. Inhale, and while exhaling, go down. Push your hips to the back and chest to the floor. Come back slowly. Just shake your hands. Just make some circles from your shoulder. And we'll move to the next practice. Actually, this session is specially for the kyphosis, but जो आसन यहाँ पर हो रहे हैं उनके फायदे बहुत सारे हैं. तो this is just focused कि आपकी kyphosis के लिए हो, but kyphosis के लिए हो, but there are multi benefits of every pose, every single practice. So for the next practice, we will do Trikonasana. Feet 3.5 feet apart, and according to your height. Hands in line with your shoulder. Make sure you are not doing this. In line with your shoulder means with your shoulder. Okay. Hands, palms facing front. Now you turn your right foot outside and your left foot towards right. Little, not too much, just a little. And now, while exhaling, just go down by the side. Make sure you are not going back, and your hands are just like a stick. And look up towards your hand. Inhale and exhale deeply here. Stay in the pose. If you can reach here, this is fine. Here, this is fine, but just don't do this. Okay? So stay in the pose. Honestly. Exhale. Sorry, inhale, come back. So when we do overdo the pose, जिसके लिए हम कहते हैं कि हमारा pose और अच्छा हो जाए, and body is not ready for that. So there is a term in yoga that is called amhimsa. So that is not correct. So don't do amhimsa to yourself. Okay. So repeat with the left side. Hands open by the side of the shoulders. Left foot turn to the left side. Right a little towards left. And you make sure you are balancing on your feet. Back foot पे ज़्यादा हमें balance करना है, उसको press करके रखना है. Inhale in the center, and while exhaling, slowly go down. And look at the middle finger or anywhere up towards your hand. Stay in the pose. Feel your inner thighs, your lateral side of the upper hand,
upper body. Inhale, come back. Slowly turn the foot inward, hands niche, and relax, relax. Just take some gap in your feet and relax your body and close your eyes. जितनी practices हमने अभी तक की है, just feel the effect and impact on your body, specifically on your upper body, on your shoulder, on your neck, and your thoracic region. Just 2 to 3 deep breaths. Just feel it. Okay. Come back. There's a beautiful sunset happening in front of me. So sit down, everybody, in Vajrasana. We'll do Ustrasana, that is very helpful in the kyphosis. So kneel down, come on your knees. Your feet, knees are apart this much, less than shoulder width apart, okay? And your toes are tucked for the better balance. If you are a beginner or you are just not much comfortable with the Ustrasana, this is great. So give your height and space if you tuck your toes. Otherwise, you can flat your toes. Place your thumb on the back and fingers on your waist. Thumb on the back side, fingers on the front side. Make sure you're not protruding your belly. Your pelvic floor is lifted and your elbows are close to each other. Don't make them, let be them here. Just make them closer and inhale, and while exhaling, don't close your eyes, just bend from the thoracic region, from the back. Don't do this. It can be harmful for your knees. So just from the upper side. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, come back, relax. किसी के लिए बहुत ज्यादा लंबे हो सकते हैं 10 seconds, 10 काउंट जो मैंने अभी किए, बट फायदा तभी होगा जब हम किसी पोज में स्टे करते हैं, रुकते हैं. ओके, तो जो प्रैक्टिसेस हो रही है उनको अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो प्लीज stay in the pose for 20 seconds, 10 seconds minimum, and 20 seconds, 22 you can read. आप बढ़ा सकते हो उस पीरियड को 20 to 30 seconds as per your comfortability. Okay, okay, come back on your knees. People who are not finding it easy will stay in the same pose. Other who are finding it easy will do the full Ustrasana. Okay, camel pose. Ustra means camel. So hands in front of your body. Now lean back and grab your right heel from your right hand, left from your left hand, and now push your hips towards the front side and expand your chest. Don't drop your back neck too much like this. Just stay here and try to deep breathing. Don't close your eyes. Smile. Exhale, slowly come back and sit. So your toes, big toes are together, your knees are apart, you're sitting like this. If someone is find it difficult to sit like this, you can place some support under your buttocks. You can give some height there. So it would be more easy for you. So next we'll do Uttan Mandukasana. That is really good for lungs expansion and the same for the correction of the curvature. Okay. For that we'll sit like this, both arms up in the sky. And now we'll place the right hand on the left side of the back and left onto the right side. Trapezius, we call them. And expand your chest to the fullest. You can close your eyes here if you're comfortable, or try to close your eyes and try to breathe as deep as you can. This is really good for awakening those alveoli, and it is opening our thoracic region, pushing those rounding shoulders to the back, making them in uh, forcing them to natural position. So try to force your lungs out. Slowly come back, hands on your thighs again. We'll do this again from the left hand first. So counter pose is always recommended in yoga practice. Whenever you do yoga practice, please be aware of counter poses. Whenever you do backward bending, you have to do the forward one, but with instruction. So again, raise up your arms. Now this time, place your left hand on your right trap and your right on your left ones, and push your chest out. Push your chest out. You may feel some pain in your mid back. That is actually good. If you're doing right, you will feel the strain on your mid back. That is good. Open up your lungs, expand your lungs, and open up your shoulders. Nobody wants that drooling shoulders and rounded back. So do it. Inhale and expand your chest. Awaken your alveoli. Open up them. And inhale, come back. Now, stay in the same position and we'll do Sashankasana, that is the counter pose of Ustrasana. So slowly just lower down your hands. I'm showing that side. My camera is not supporting here. Like this. If you are, don't round your back and don't leave your hip from your ankle. Just stay here. If your back is rounding, then you go down. Stay here. Otherwise, try to go full. Chin or forehead on the floor. And you can close your eyes here. It is a relaxing practice. This pose is really good for spine. Exhale, inhale, come back. You can do it with the help of pillows. One day, the other day I had shown, you can place 2 pillows in between your knees and then just roll forward onto them. Do it again. Stay with your neutral spine. Don't round. Deep breathing here. Just feel the relaxation. Slowly inhale and come back. Knees together. Open up your legs in front of you. Just shake your legs a little. Relax them. And now come on your belly. Just lie down on your belly. Like this. Your hands are in front of you. Like this. You can see the screen. And from here, your feet are flat, like your upper sole is touching the floor, and sole is towards the sky. And your hands are in front of your body. Now here, just press your palms and lift up your chin and your thoracic. बहुत थोड़ा सा उठेगा, but it is really effective. So we'll do this practice 5 times with breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. So let's do it. Everybody. Inhale up, exhale down. Slowly. Inhale up, exhale down. Just feel your thoracic region. Inhale up, Exhale,
down.
inhale up,
Exhale, down.
one last time, and we will hold this one. Inhale and stay there. Don't hold your breath, normal breathing. Keep pushing your lower back and your thoracic region into the ground, and keep pressing your hands into the floor. Just stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and exhale.
Relax. Now slide your palms beside your chest region. Beside your chest region, elbows close to the body. And now forehead on the floor. Feet together, knees together. Keep pressing your feet and knees in the ground. And lift up your chin
And your chest. Make sure your belly is still in touch with the mat. Elbows is close to the body. And stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale, relax.
Just forehead on the floor. Nothing will change. Just 2 or 3 breaths. We'll do this again and hold for 15 seconds. Okay? So make yourself ready for 15 seconds. Feet together, knees together. Hands by the side of your chest, elbows close to the body. Inhale and lift up
Your chin, your neck, your chest, Bhujangasana. Just open up your back. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep pressing your thighs, knees, and toes into the ground. More. 5, 4, 3, 2. Exhale. Relax. Relax. Come into Makarasana. Hands together, feet apart.
chin or forehead on your hands. Rest.
There is less than 2 minutes left in the session.
Less than 2 minutes.
Yeah.
वैसे just
Tarun?
एक शवासन ही रह गया है सिर्फ एक वैसे